What's good? Yo, my allergies are driving me crazy. On top of that, I'm in the area where there's so many fires going on around me. Look at my eyes are watering right now. Tahoe, which is just a couple hours away from me, is on absolute fire. So nothing but smoke and it's horrible outside. But we're gonna get through it like we've gotten through every other season of these fires. Even though these ones are a little more scarier, we're gonna push through. But what I wanted to get on and talk about, actually congratulate someone that I have been seeing coming up, doing an amazing, fantastic job with growing their business and adding things to their business that many of us dream of doing. When I got into the t-shirt stuff, I immediately knew that I wanted to create something within the sublimation world. I just didn't know how to get there, at least fast enough. But everything takes time. I'm a patient guy and I know it'll fall into place. However, my God, I'm one of those guys that when my friends are winning, I'm celebrating probably harder than they are for themselves. When they win, I feel like I'm winning. With that being said, I want to congratulate my boy E at Garment Creations for his sublimation paper that just dropped. Of course, my homegirl Cassandra, Blanks Galore, she kills it on sublimation paper. That BG paper goes hard. And we can't forget Craft and Besties, they're doing their thing too. Today though, I want to congratulate one of my friends, Jenny Perez. Jenny Perez has a company called Blanks on Blanks. Blanks on Blanks. Blanks on Blanks. Why did I cover my face? Blanks on Blanks. And my homegirl Jenny has now come up with her own sublimation paper. Thank you, Jenny, for sending me this beautiful gift. I cannot wait to try it, but I can't wait to open it up right now and look at it. So you guys that are watching, if you get the chance, head over to Blank on Blanks. I'll leave the link here below. Give my homegirl a follow. Congratulate her on her paper. I almost don't want to tear the sticker off. It's his own personal sticker, and you know, but we're gonna get this thing. Boy, she secured this thing. I can't even get it open with scissors and nothing. She was protecting it. She was making sure it got to me. Fragile, please. Handle with love, she says. Hold on, we're gonna get there. Jenny, you ain't playing, girl. This is some military tape or something. Got it. So here we go. Blanks on Blanks, y'all. Blanks on Blanks. Oh, I got a sticker that fell out the box. That is a rainbow that says you are worth it with a smiley face. You know what? I'm gonna put this on right now. Hang tight. It is a rainbow smiley face that says you are worth it. You know I'm gonna rock that. Some of my favorite colors. You are worth it. Thank you. Oh man, look. And then, you know, she adds these two little postcards in here. I needed to hear this. I'm usually giving out so much advice, you know, positivity, but it's good to see something pop up, kind of some reassurance. And this is definitely one of them. So this one says, think big. You are capable of more than you know. That's dope. I appreciate that. And then another one says, thank you for supporting my small business. You got it, Jenny. Jenny Perez. Look at this. 11 by 17. BlanksOnBlanks.com. 100 GSM, fast drying, vibrant transfer paper, 90 to 99% transfer rate. Got the little barcode. Scan to join our Facebook group. Jenny, I am proud of you. So you guys, like I was saying, you get a second, please hit that link at the bottom. Give my girl a follow. Congratulate her. It's really hard. It's really hard to be in this business. Oh, I'm ready to use me some paper. Well, I am ready to use me some paper. It's hard to do what we're doing. It might look easy to some, and it's really not. It's a lot of work. You put in a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice, and to get people to follow, to get people to trust that your product is good enough is a lot of work. So I can only ask that you guys do support. our small business. It goes a long way. Without your help, we can't grow this thing. But without the community, those of us that are in a t-shirt business together, we could grow further if we join in and help each other grow. I know it's this, I want to get there first mentality sometimes, or the crab in the bucket mentality, right? But we don't always have to be that way. There's so many talented people that if we just came together and helped each other grow, we would get so much further. This t-shirt game is changing for so many of us. It's created so many entrepreneurs, so many possibilities. It's opened up opportunities for so many people, right? And would you have ever thought that pressing a shirt can become a career? Pressing a shirt, coming up with your own sublimation paper can make you an absolute multi-millionaire. And you can see the proof yourself if you head over to Cassandra, her Blanks Galore University. Her BG paper made her a multi-millionaire. My boy E at Garment Creations is killing it. Crafting besties. Come on now. Come on now. And would you have ever thought paper, blank tees, your own clothing line, pressing for the people, that you can make a career out of that? The only person stopping you from making that happen is you. Only you. If you get out of here and put it out, I guarantee you might find some success. But it's not until you can get off that couch, get off that poor as me, I don't know what to do, I got a million questions every single day and they're the same ones. Get away from that and put it into play. The longer you wait, somebody else will come up with an idea like the one you had, and they'll be pushing their product while you're still sitting there saying, what if? And I could have done that too. So please don't be that person. Again, Jenny Perez, I thank you so much. I'm so happy for you, sis. Do your thing. There isn't enough of us Latinos in this business doing what we're doing right now. So to see this touches my heart. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you for rocking with me. Let's grow.